Welcome everybody. I'm so excited to be here today to share with you this great celebration. We are celebrating 1 year together, 1 year of the Ansible Pilot project together. I can't believe that we are here. And the project started from scratch, like an idea with some friends. Hey, why not sharing some code on the internet, some small video that share some code. A lot of people were already doing, but I would like to give a different format, maybe shorter version with more focus on one specific use case. And I started doing one, and then two, and then started the installation on a different operating system. Then some error pop up and become troubleshooting. Then I started adding more things like working with file system, with users on Linux, Windows, Mac OS, and this started to boom little by little. And I saw the subscription rising from, I still remember when I saw 100 subscription, now we are more than 1,300, and the number is still growing and growing. Every day I'm saw the statistic and are incredible. So we spent together 1 year and working with some Ansible module, become more working with different technologies, working with Windows, working with macOS, working with network appliances, working with Kubernetes, working with Postgres, working with a lot of interesting technologies in the world today. Try to automate more things and save time in your journey. You know that now in this post-pandemic world it's more important than ever to innovate, accelerate and automate everything in your business. So we live in this time of uncertainty because a lot of things are ongoing. We are still in the post-pandemic, so everything could happen, but the more we can automate our services, our code, the more we can serve our customer. And I'm sure that Ansible will play an interesting role in the upcoming years, where that company is investing a lot on this stuff. You know that sometimes I'm working directly with Ansible engineering team, and I saw a lot of interesting things in the upcoming Ansible Core 2.14, the latest release of the Ansible smallest platform tool. I have a lot of story to tell. I have 1,000 of ideas of videos, but now I need to take a short break, just enjoy the summertime, also the heat waves. Yes, it's so hot here. So I'm going to chill out just for a while, but I'm working on a lot of interesting ideas. So guys, let me remind you that Ansible Pilot is not only a YouTube channel, is also a website, is also a book, and is also a video course. And I have a lot of interesting ideas of how to share my knowledge with you in the upcoming months. So stay tuned, subscribe to the newsletter, subscribe to the YouTube channel, so you will be the first to hear about this interesting story. I'm not spoiling anything, but let me share with you that I'm so excited and so delighted to receive such a huge amount of feedback that you're sending to me every day. So I'm receiving email, comments, whatever. I'm reading all. I don't have time to reply to all of you, but I'm reading all. And I'm watching all the metrics, all the statistics, all the video. I'm trying to understand what are the topics that you like more and you would like more content about. And don't worry, I have a lot of ideas. If you have a specific use case, we can work on it. So please send me a direct message on whatever platform you want, because I'm trying all. And I like to automate as much as possible, as you probably saw, because we enter from creating a user to, I don't know, deploying a web server. So on a container and in the most strange way. Guys, what else I could tell you? But this adventure is getting skyrocket. Was completely unbelievable that from one small video sharing with some friends in the beginning of this adventure, we are here having a successful channel, having a successful website, 50,000 views per month. This is insane. I just received the latest Google report. What else we have? We have a lot of adventure together. So guys, after 1 year, this project is booming and I'm going to invest more on the upcoming year. A lot of news will come soon, so stay tuned. I'm going just to relax a little bit, enjoy the summer and return with more energy than ever. So guys, stay tuned, enjoy your summer as well, and see us on the next adventure of Ansible Pilot. And have a great summer! Thank you so much, enjoy your 2022 and see us soon. Ciao!